Hey guys, what up? Where is it coming out? This is a I'm not gonna happen. I just hope that this happen. And I think I'm gonna make a video of my birthday. But I do have to upload I need everything. Just put it up and upload it. Very smooth with no table. Anyway, keep it good on the camera. Oh, I'm sure it's I'm going to the movies, so I'll be long. Stupid. Bam! Everyone knows Pokemon. Oh, Pokemon Justin Bieber. Oh, Justin Bieber. Look at this. Oh no. Justin Bieber. It's funny. Sexy. Human guy. Oh, he's really like in a laptop. She's not like that. Right? He's a human saying sexy person. Yeah, I'm very smart. If you see a mad boy, don't look at this because he's so organized. Skinny is just a fine guy. I like this guy hit someone one time, but my Christian Bieber in his live video, he's trying to tell you one time. You didn't say it one time, you said it twice. He's like, I'm gonna tell you one time what I love you. Twice. Maybe you're gonna have to fix that. You need to fix his attitude with you. Okay. So, kinds of doing it. Kind of do, but who knows? That's how it goes. Yeah, bad boy. I like this first song, Baby. It's not like I don't know if it's what I like is beautiful song. Now, Bertie, I'm not sure. When the water comes into my baby Christmas, in my butt, she had me doing crazy. So I was starstruck. She woke me up, baby. You know, starstruck. Okay. Something like that. I think. One of my favorite parts. Oh, you I position. Hello. How do you actually she doing that? What? Oh, no. I'm a little shut up. My birthday coming up. I'm taking birthday. My birthday. I make sure. I'm certain. So I'm saying, what I know. What I know. I have this other one, which is also I can find it. It's still like this. One of his other things. Love me, and I think this one is. I love it. It's the best person. And I know it by heart. A lot of it. You want to know that? Everything is saying I love me. Yeah. It's funny. I wish that I liked me. I had a big idea. I think that it's kids. It's well, oh, just a beaver, yeah! What is it? My favorite color is blue and black. I like black more because it's super clear. Yeah, yeah.